In this video, we'll go over how to edit your domain contact records at Dynadot. To get set up, first sign in to your Dynadot account. Select My Domains from the left side menu and click Contact Records in the drop-down. Click on the link associated with the contact record you wish to edit in the Name email area. You'll be prompted to unlock your account by entering your birth date. Once you've unlocked your account, click again on the link associated with the contact record you wish to edit in the Name email area. Edit your contact record in the provided form and press the Save button to save your changes. It's important to note that after saving your changes, you will need to check the email associated with your account to verify your contact record. You will receive a contact record Whois verification email from accounts@dynadot.com to your Whois registrant email. Failure to verify your contact record within 15 days will result in the suspension of the domains attached to that contact record, and your domains will be set to parking. If you need any additional support, please click the link in our bio to reach us through chat, email, or phone call.